Stock option trading for beginners. I made over 2,300 in 1 week. I'm gonna tell you how I made it, and let's see how much I made today. Today's gonna be January 31st. I made over $250 today, so the stock market must be going up. If you thought that way, you would be wrong. Stock market was going down. It was crashing. Microsoft 2.09% down, Google 2.69% down, Amazon 2.69% down, Tesla 5.25% down. Everything was gone except for a few stocks, Walmart, and just a few other companies. S&P 500 was down 2%, Dow Jones 2.06%, Nasdaq 2.5%, Russell 2.99%. It was a down day. This is the first time that all four stock markets went down more than 2%. That could be the first confirmation of the trend reversal. So when the stock market has been going up and it just went down over 2%, that could be the beginning of a bear market. That could be a beginning of corrections. So we might be in a bear market already, or we might be in just a short-term bear market. That depends on how long it's going to last. If we are going to hit last year October low, or maybe lower than that, then we could say the past few weeks then we could say the past few weeks was just a bear market rally. But if we do not hit October low, then this could just be a temporary downturn. And crude oil was down, gold, silver, it was up, and 10-year bond has been going up very recently. It was going down in a few weeks at the beginning of the year. It was going down at the beginning of the year, and now it started to go back up again. Bitcoin was down 1.57%. Bitcoin used to be over 16,000. Now it's over 24,000. So we had quite a rally. Today we're going to talk about 5 things to do to profit from a stock market crash, and how I made over 2,300 within 1 week, and stock option trading for beginners. For 1 week, stock market sectors have been going down. Technology, communication services, consumer cyclical. Most of the stock market went down except for just a few stocks. So we could be seeing the beginning of the downturn. For 1 month, it's even. So you will see some green color, some red color. Green color means the stock is up. So Tesla is up more than 40% within 1 month. Microsoft up 7.7%, Nvidia 15%, and technology Meta over 23%. But you will see some of the stocks are down, like energy, Google, Amazon. Like I said before, energy is not gonna have a good year this year. I believe the 3 best sectors gonna be technology, consumer services, and consumer cyclical. I talk about the stock that I like the most in these 3 sectors. You can go and check out in my playlist. Before I tell you how I made over 2,300 in 1 week, I'm going to tell you 5 things to do to profit from a stock market crash. 5 things to do to profit from a stock market crash. Close bullish option position, like call option. If you are buying call options, close those positions, because whatever the stock option multiplies. If the stock goes up 1%, option can go up multiple percent. If the stock goes down more than 1%, the option can go down more than 2%, 3%. It really depends. So options is very volatile compared to stocks. So you want to close all the bullish option position. So if you believe that stock market crash is coming, you want to close call options, any bullish option position first. And if you bought some stocks on margin, let's say you are paying interest to your stockbroker, you want to sell your best stocks to cover your margin. Let's say you borrow $10,000 to buy stocks because last month it was quite rarely you borrow money from the stockbroker to buy some good stocks. Do not sell good stocks. You want to sell bad stock to buy to cover margin. Why? Because when the stock market goes up again, it's usually the good companies, good stocks, they are the first to go up. Bad stocks do not recover as easily as the good stocks. So you want to sell your bad stocks to cover your margin position. Even if you use your margin to buy good company, good stock, do not sell those stocks. Only sell bad stocks to cover your margin. And open bearish option positions such as put options. So a stock market corrections or a stock market pullback or stock market crash could last from a few days to a few weeks. So if you believe this is going to be a big crash or longer term corrections rather than just a temporary pullback, a pullback can last for like maybe 2-3 days. But if it's correction, it could take a few weeks. If it's a crash, it could take a few months. If you believe that it's going to be long-term stock market crash, you can start to open bearish option position. You still have time. But if you don't know how to use option, or if you don't know how to use advanced option, you can just add more stocks of undervalued good stocks. It has to be really good companies. It has to be really good business, and it has to be undervalued when you buy a stock. It is really very important for the company to be really good and also be undervalued. If you are paying overpriced for good companies, it's a bad investment. Whenever a stock market crash happens, most people lose money because they can't control their emotions. They want to sell their stocks. Oh, my portfolio is going down 5%, 7%, 10%, 15%. Oh, I need to sell the stock. That's how they lose money. After they sell the stock market recovers. They lost money and they don't get back in the stock market right away because they think it's just a temporary recovery and it's gonna go crash again. So the best option is, if you don't know any advanced options, you just already bought and are very good stocks, don't look at your stock account portfolio, just travel more. If you want to travel around the world, if you want to know the best places to visit in the world, go and subscribe Rich Freedom Dragon Indonesia Travel Lifestyle. It's a really good channel and you can also follow their Facebook channel too. Now I'm going to tell you how I made over 2,200 in 1 week and what options did I use. My losses are at the top and my gains are at the bottom. So we're going to look at the losses and we're going to look at the gains as well. Netflix call options, I lost over $680. I invested 2,200 and I got back only 1,500, so I lost about 680. And what happened was Netflix stock went down temporarily and it couldn't go up as much as I thought it would, and I cut losses. And remember, most people lose money because they do not cut their losses fast enough and they waited. Oh, I only lose 680, I'm just gonna wait, it's gonna come back again and I don't want to lose 600. They waited, and 600 becomes 1,000, 1,000 becomes 2,000 loss. You never want to be like that. Always cut your losses very quickly. And the next one, I only lost $90. It was Carvana. I used put option. It was short squeeze. The stock went up. It's a bad company, it's a bad business at the moment. But because of short squeeze and January effect, everybody was putting money in. So that's why I lost $90. But it's not a lot, so I cut losses quickly. Let's look at my most gain. I make over $600. So most of my gains are in options. The reason why I like options is because there are so many ways to make money with options. The stock market goes up, you can buy call options. The stock market goes down, you can buy put option to make money. The stock market go up sideways, you can still make money using advanced options. So it's really great to know option trading. And of course, I make money in stocks, at a full local stock only $52. But most of my gains came from options. So it's really important to know option trading. So if you sell put option, you are bullish. If you buy put option, you are bearish. So you have to know the differences. If you have any questions, comment down below. Like, share, subscribe.
Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now.
If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist. Stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.